Hi. On today's video we are going to learn how and when to use simple and continuous verbs. So, let's begin. Simple verbs. We use simple verbs to talk about complete actions, events or activities. I've just taken an amazing video of a fox. She trained really hard for the marathon she ran in April. We use a simple verb when we say how much is complete or how many times something happens. I went to the Museum of Modern Art 3 times last year. We got about half the work done. We use simple verbs to talk about facts and unchanging states. The camera takes up to 10 photos per second in this mode. My dad was born in Manchester and he has never left. Continuous verbs. We use continuous verbs to talk about incomplete or temporary activities. Brian was trying to paint the house, but he fell. I'm on a temporary contract, so I'm only working here for 6 months. We use continuous verbs to emphasize activity, duration or repetition. I'm going to classes to improve my ukulele skills. In March we will have been living in New York for 4 years. Mandy has been phoning me all day and telling me what to do. We can use continuous verbs with the adverbs always, continually, constantly and forever to complain or express surprise about how frequently something happens. Mary was constantly taking photos of every little thing she saw. It's always raining in this part of the world.